As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two propane grills, the ChuMaste and the Bighorn Outdoors. The ChuMaste is definitely cheaper, only $168.99 compared to the Bighorn's $199.99.
Yeah, but look at what you get for the extra money. The Bighorn boasts a crazy 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit infrared burner. That's serious searing power. The ChuMaste is just a standard 3-burner gas grill, putting out 30,000 BTUs total.
True. The BTU output is higher on the ChuMaste. But is that infrared really worth it? It seems like the Bighorn is more specialized for steaks, whereas the ChuMaste is more of an all-rounder with a larger cooking area, 464.8 square inches versus the Bighorn's 143.
That's a big difference in cooking surface. But think about the flavor. The Bighorn's top-down infrared heating promises a perfect crust and juicy interior. Plus, it has a pizza stone included.
Okay, pizza is tempting, but the ChuMaste has foldable side tables for prep space and wheels for easy moving. The Bighorn is tabletop, so it's portable, but you need a table to put it on, right?
Good point about portability. The Bighorn weighs only 30.9 pounds, though. The ChuMaste is a hefty 51.9 pounds. The Bighorn is easier to take camping or tailgating. Also, the Bighorn is stainless steel, which should make it resistant to rust.
Both are stainless steel, according to the details. The ChuMaste has a powder-coated finish, though the customer reviews are better for the Bighorn, 4.6 stars compared to 4.1 for the ChuMaste. People seem to really love the Bighorn's searing capabilities.
Exactly, and it heats up to 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit in just 5 minutes. That's fast. The ChuMaste has a thermometer, though, which is nice for monitoring the internal temperature.
It's a tough call. The ChuMaste is cheaper and more versatile and has more space. But the Bighorn sounds amazing for steaks and pizza, and the reviews are significantly better.
I think it depends what you're cooking most often. If you're a steak lover, the Bighorn is the clear winner. If you want a general-purpose grill for burgers, hot dogs, and maybe the occasional steak, the ChuMaste might be a better value.
Okay, you've convinced me. I think I'm leaning towards the Bighorn. That infrared searing sounds too good to pass up. Plus, pizza. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.